Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install and configure CSF on Rocky Linux 8.6. CSF stands for ConfigServer Firewall. CSF is a firewall software developed to keep your server safe. It comes with an advanced web-based interface to manage firewall settings. CSF includes other security features including login, intrusion, flood detections.
Check the installed version of OS using cat command. This is Rocky Linux 8.6. Now install the CSF dependencies. Press Y and hit enter to continue. Again press Y. The dependencies are installed. Now download the CSF package. The package is downloaded. This is the CSF package. Now we need to extract the file by using tar command. The package is extracted. Now change the directory to CSF. Now list this. Now we need to install the CSF by using shell script. The installation is completed. Now we need to disable firewall deservice. Now we need to stop the firewall deservice. Now check CSF is working or not. So that we need to change the location. User local CSF bin. Now run the command to check. CSF should function on the server. CSF is now working. We need to make changes in the configuration file. So that open the configuration file. Press I to the insert mode. Change the test value 1 to 0. Now save and quit. Now enable the both CSF and LFD services by using systemctl command. Now start the both services. Now we need to start the CSF by using CSF-S command. The CSF is started. Now we need to check the CSF by allowing the IP address CSF-A. The IP address I am going to allow 192.168.6.110. To check this, we need to open csf.allow file, /etc csf.allow. Here you can see this is the IP address which we allow there. Now quit. Now we see how to remove the allow IP address. So that use the following command: csf-ar, enter the IP address which you allow before, 192.168.6.110. To check this, we again open the file, vim/etc csf.allow. Now there is no entry. Now quit this file. Now we see the method how to deny the IP address in CSF. So that use the following command: csf-deny 192.168.6.120. To check this, we need to open the deny configuration file, vim etc csf.deny. This is the IP address which we deny. Now quit. Now we see how to remove the denied IP address. So that use the command csf-deny remove, enter the IP address which we need to remove, 6.120. This is the IP which we deny before. To check, again we open the file, vim/etc csf.deny. Now there is no entry. Quit the file. Now we see how to restart the CSF. csf-r, this is the command to restart CSF. By this, the installation and configuration of CSF on Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.